guys, so finalize na yung Gilas roster. Okay, we have it. So Bo Belga was the one who had to be
as expected.
Yeah. No, but with Bo, I think you want to say something about Bo na parang I think he gained a lot of respect through this process.
Kilala natin si Bo, isa sa mga kilalang villain, mga kontrabida sa PBA. Pero itong nangyari to, when Bo took it like a man, yung pagka-professional niya, yung pagiging mama niya, nung siya yung na-cut, it was all over social media. Ako, matagal ko ng kaibigan din yan, pero lalong dumami yung rumespeto kay Bo dahil doon sa pangyayaring yun. I think kahit si Miyaka nabilib kay Bo eh.
Eh, sobrang gusto ko naman talaga si Bo to begin with.
Pero gusto mo pa siya i-hug talaga nun.
Oo.
Di ba, pagbalik na dito.
Parang wala si Winnie the Pooh.
We can arrange, make arrangements.
Oh, dito na, sa FT Laban.
Punta si Bo dito, si-hug mo siya.
Sige.
Dahil natin si Bo pagdating.
Yan ang pasasalamat natin kay Bo para sa
bayan.
Sakripisyo.
Isang yakap para sa bayan.
Okay, so wala pa naman si Bo dito, pwede natin i-simulate. Dito naman si Carlo. Pwede bang practice lang. Practice lang.
Kasi Carlo ready, oh.
Practice lang. Kunyari ito si Bo. Kunyari yan si Bo. Yeah!
Actually, height na lang eh. Magsilakin na. Sabi ko nga eh, sisingit ako eh. Na masakit yun kasi patron saint namin siya eh.
Patron saint?
Google kayong patron saint namin plus size eh. Masakit man na-cut pero...
Okay, but now of course we thank Bo for his dedication to the country.
Pero hindi pa tapos si Bo, ha? He's mentoring now etong si Junmar at saka si Japet.
Paano niya mini-mentor?
Kain sila ng kain.
Hindi, binibigyan niya ng
rice, gano'n.
Habang ando pa rin siya sa New Zealand eh, kasama pa rin siya and all the way hanggang FIBA Asia if I'm not mistaken. Kasama siya sa team. Parang si Carriazo nung nakat, sinama pa rin nung lumipad na sila. Pero ngayon dito naman gagawin. Kasama pa rin siya sa team, hindi lang siya naka-line up. And kahit sa mga ensayo, Bo is there trying to give tips and tricks. Ang problema lang, wag masyado Bo pagdating ng PBA. Kaya ka na ng mga yan. Binibigyan niya ng tinuturuan niya.
Duda ako dun.
Kasi gano'ng karami pang kinain niya.
However, nung dilubas nga yung decision na Bo was out, ang dating naman sa akin nun, well, at least the coaching staff for them, yung original na napili nila, talagang yun talaga. Hindi na sila, in other words, the first people that they pick, tumama na sila.
Yung galing sa original 17.
Yeah, diba? Tumama na sila doon. So, I suppose that's always a good sign.
Yeah, because at least that shows that from the start that the people that you chose played better.
Yeah.
Diba? We were hearing a lot of things na kesyo baka ma-surpass ang isa sa kanila by the guys that were invited. But the first 12, they took care, the ones that were there took care of business and they were able to get it done. But talking about that lineup, I think one thing that we have to be careful with, if you look at what stuff's coming out from the side of the coaching staff, it seems parang Marcos isn't ready, si Junmar isn't ready. So if you have those two that aren't ready right now or hindi pa rin doon sa point na gusto ni Coach Chot, laking problema, no? Dahil syempre laki ng
2 weeks na lang.
And then,
2 weeks na lang, di ba?
Kung ganun si Marcos, hindi ready, si Junmar hindi ready, hindi sana ni-ready mo si Bo, sana siya na lang nandun sa pwede.
Huwag na si Doughty. Huwag na si Doughty.
I would also not put it past our coaching staff na
pero I think
kasi may mga
pwede pang magariyan.
Hindi, tsaka sina-scout din kasi. Everything about the team, I'm pretty sure the other countries also scouting. Baka nililin lang tong mga kalaban natin.
Lalo lumabas sa tik-tik eh. Talagang inaano ng mga...
Maybe it's part of Cywar,
Pwede rin.
Pwede nga.
Why ng China yan eh.
Cywar, yung mga, mahina kami sa ganito. Kasi siyempre, minaman-manan ka ng kalaban eh. Ito, magtatagalog na lang ako para di tayo maintindihan. Ikaw, so Carlo, you're set with a 12. You're good with a 12.
Yeah. Coach sila eh.
Alam mo, napansin ko, yung Tenorio daw magaling pumoste. Tapos yung...
Irisin mo.
That Tenorio guy, really likes to play at the post and, attack the basket. And then there's this guy, Junmar Fajardo.
He's a shooter.
He's a shooter.
10-shot
You
3-point
know, he
shooter.
really runs the break really well.
Yeah.
You know, so just in case you're watching, Iran, Lebanon, China, Japan, South Korea.
I will also, tulungan na natin.
Go ahead.
You know that Gary David, he cannot shoot.
Oh,
Leave him open.
He's so slow. There's
Sag.
quickness.
Yes.
Especially that Chan and
They
Fonashera.
can't shoot.
They can only drive. No shooting from the
No
outside.
shooting, no shooting.
Chinese
How
Taipei,
about-
are you listening?
How about you, Mags?
You send our checks.
Oh, ikaw, Mags, sino pa yung mga player na kailangan nilang tutukan?
You know what you do? The first thing you do? That guy, Ranidel De Ocampo.
No, cannot be slang. They won't understand you.
Yung the guy Ranidel De Ocampo, you hit him, he is soft. You hit him, you put him on the ground, he is very soft. That's what you do, huh?
You're helping them. At least
Yes, this is sportsmanship. Diba? It's all...
Kaya natanggal si Bo Belga eh.
Bakit?
Na-scout na nung China yung shot fake.
Tama.
Tinanggal na siya.
Tama, Bo. Di natin papakinabangan yan.
Alam na
Alam
nila
na ng
eh.
Asia. Alam na ng
Nakita
buong
kasi
Asia.
nung Shanghai, di ba
Okay,
ginamit na?
ginamit eh. Dapat
Nakita.
pala, hindi mo na niya. But anyway, we're set. Basta kami, okay yan. Fight na tayo dyan. That's our 12. Coaching staff, buong confident, kumpiyansa with this 12. And kami rin.
kailangan tayo yung susuporta doon sa lahat.
Exactly.
Buong bayan.
Game na yan.
Even if we're not that good. Sa scouting pa rin.
Oy, puta ka. Wala kang bilib. Grabe.
Mahina. We are soft.